Family, written and illustrated by Amarachi Paul Ayuba. A family is made up of father, mother, and children. The children could be girls only, boys only, boys and girls. Some families are big, some families are small. No matter how small or big your family is, with love you can do great positive things. Spending time together and having fun. Always remember that every family is special and unique in their own ways. Tell us what is unique about your family in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also turn on your notification bell button so you can be among the first persons to watch our new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time and have a lovely time with your family.